Hello dear students, let us discuss this example number 2 from the chapter Lines and Angles. I hope you have done up to example number 1 and revised the basic definitions of the geometrical terms and understood the concept of adjacent angles, linear pair of angles and vertically opposite angles. Now we are proceeding further and trying to solve questions which are based on various geometrical results. So in this question it is given that in the given figure the ray OS, it stands on the line POQ and the ray OR and the ray OT are angle bisectors of angle POS and angle SOQ respectively. So as per the definition of angle bisector, the ray which is the angle bisector, it divides the angle into two equal parts. So OR is the bisector of angle POS. See, I am marking here. Angle POR will be equal to angle ROS. So let us label this. So angle 1 will be equal to angle 2. Similarly, here it is given that OT is bisector of angle SOQ. So we can mark these angles here. Angle SOT, let us take it as angle 3 and angle TOQ as angle 4. So as per the definition, OT is the angle bisector, so angle SOT will be equal to angle TOQ, that is angle 3 is equal to angle 4. Now in this question it is given that if angle POS is equal to X, so this complete angle POS is X, we need to find how much will be angle ROT. Let me label this, mark this, ROT. हमें पता करना है कि एंगल ROT किसके बराबर आएगा. अब इस फिगर को ध्यान से देखो. एंगल ROT के अंदर दो एंगल्स आ रहे हैं. कौन से? वी कैन सी एंगल 2 एंड एंगल 3. So angle ROT is equal to angle 2 plus angle 3. So basic thing is we have to find the sum of angle 2 and angle 3. Right? So we will be using the knowledge which is given in the question and we will see how we can get the measurement of angle ROT. Let us begin. So we will write here first given. What is given? In the given, you need to write down each and everything which is there in the question. So given POQ is a line. Then it is given OR, it is a ray, bisects angle POS. Third thing which is given, OT, it is also a ray, it bisects angle SOQ, and it is given that angle POS is equal to X, and we need to find, then you write down what you have to find. We need to find angle ROT. Now let us see the solution. So we will begin with OR bisects angle POS. Since OR bisects angle POS, therefore angle 1 is equal to angle 2. We have already labeled it, angle 1 and angle 2. So you can refer the figure. Similarly, OT bisects angle SOQ. Therefore, angle 3 is equal to angle 4. So you can number these equations as equation 1 and equation 2. Now tell me one thing. Observe carefully the given figure. Can you tell me what is the sum of all these angles which are on a straight line? POQ is a straight line. Yes, you are right. Angle POS plus angle SOQ will be equal to 180 degrees. We can say that OS stands on the line POQ. So by linear pair axiom, write down, since OS stands on the line POQ, therefore by linear pair axiom, angle POS plus angle SOQ is equal to 180 degrees. Is it clear up to this point? Now we are going to replace the angles. So angle POS is angle 1 plus angle 2 and angle SOQ is angle 3 plus angle 4. So this is equal to 180 degrees. Now angle 1 is equal to angle 2. So at the place of angle 1, I can write angle 2 and angle 4 is equal to angle 3. So at the place of angle 4, I can write angle 3. So angle 2 times angle 2 plus 2 times angle 3 will be equal to 180 degrees. Isn't it? You can take 2 common. So angle 2 plus angle 3, 2 into angle 2 plus angle 3 is equal to 180 degrees. So what is angle 2 plus angle 3? 180 degrees divided by 2, which is 90 degrees. And angle 2 plus angle 3 is angle ROT. Therefore, angle ROT is 90 degrees. See how beautifully we have done all the steps. And remember, when you are doing a geometry question, first thing which is important is must draw the figure, whether it is given in the question paper or not. Whether it is given in the question or not, you need to draw the figure. Then acquire the habit of writing what is given, what is to find, and then write down the logical steps with reason, and that will help you acquire a skill of reasoning and you will enjoy learning geometry. I hope this tip will help you in doing questions from the chapter geometry.